Lots of sunshine today, Betsy. Can't complain about that.
Nope, and it's cool.
It is.
Don't get me wrong, but
I still got a little snow in my yard.
Do you really?
I do.
If you're in the car and you got the shades on and you turn the music up, you can kind of just keep the windows up and stay in your own little environ, and then you don't have to worry about the temperatures outside. It will be cool again tonight, and if you've seen some of those clouds coming through, we're going to change things a little bit. We've had low-level clouds, puffy clouds, courtesy of the lake, but over the next 12 hours, we're going to start to build in high clouds, and those high clouds are on the northern periphery of a storm system that we don't even have to deal with, except for some clouds. So there's that. Temperatures will be getting into the 20s by the early morning. There's that storm system. Look at this thing. It is stretching from Mississippi all the way up into North Dakota. And the cold side is producing a lot of snow. But here's the kicker. The whole thing is going to start to move to the south. And as it does so, it will brush by the Buckeye State and bring some snow showers to the southwestern corner of the state. Typically, as is the way I like to present things, when these storm systems are on the move, you can track their movement based on how the alerts are stacked up. And those alerts do indeed go all the way from Virginia up to North Dakota with the winter storm warnings posted. Here's how the storm is expected to play out. You can see those scattered showers that we just looked at and the snow showers on the northern side of this. All of this will start to drop south and east. And you can see how snow begins to spread into portions of Illinois, Indiana, and by tomorrow morning, just clipping the southwest corner of Ohio. Then as we go through the day tomorrow, that continues just to slide on down to the southeast. Notice here in northeast we have just had clouds, and those will be high clouds on the northern periphery. As a matter of fact, if you stand in Cleveland or you stand anywhere in northeast Ohio and you look north, you'll probably see blue skies. If you look south, you'll see the clouds that are associated with that storm system. It's going to be one of those kind of days. Now, here's the kicker. As the storm goes by, it's going to pull in some cooler air from the northeast. So we call that a backdoor cold front. It's going to come at us from the back door, if you will. And that will kind of set us up for a cool day on Sunday. But then by late Sunday into Monday, we're going to start to push all of that out. And you're going to notice a nice warming trend. Now, only because it is not affecting us and we get to kind of capitalize on the woe of others, you can see where the heavy snow is going to be coming down in the Central Plains states and the Northern Plains, all the way down through Indianapolis and right on down into Western Virginia. And not here. That's the best news of all. Universal Windows Direct 7-day forecast. We do indeed have clouds. Temperatures about 40 or so, a lot like today once again. Then on Sunday, you can see how we're locked into those low 40s, but lots of sunshine around. Notice the morning temperature, 23. Areas out to the east of Cleveland will be cooler than areas west. That's courtesy of that backdoor front. Then we flip the switch. 50s on Monday. We should be pushing towards 60. I'm not ready to go 60s yet, only because we have rain that's coming in. A lot of times that will cool us down this time of the year, but you can see that we're kind of getting back into a more seasonal pattern as we go through next week. Very welcome pattern.
Very welcome, absolutely, even if it brings rain.
Yep, we'll take it.
Thanks, Betsy.